Good. What's up, guys? Dr. Drew back here on the channel. I'm here with one of our new patients. A little bit about Tara. She is a florist, okay? If you guys have been following us for a while, you guys have obviously seen some of the videos we've talked about on how forward neck flexion can affect that spinal health as well. So we're gonna go through her workup here. We're gonna go through her adjustment. Awesome. Good. That's a lot. Awesome. Good. Good. We're gonna adjust this right side here. Good. Just drop that right shoulder a little bit. Good. Relax. Beautiful.